Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Life with Rani Arora. So today we are gonna make French shorts, which is a very easy and amazing recipe. For this, I have taken some potatoes and I have peeled them. Now I will cut them into cubes. Now I am cutting it into cubes. Now I have cut the potatoes into cube shape. Now here I have taken ice cold water and now I will put all the potato cubes inside it. Now I have put all the potato cubes inside the ice cold water. So one question, why do we put these cubes in these ice cold water? It is because potato contains a lot of starch, and in order to remove excess of starch we put in cold water. So I have put it. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will wash it through cold water and then we will do the further processes. Now we can see after 5 minutes a lot of starch has been collected over the top layer of the water. Now we will drain the potato cubes in another bowl, and we'll wash it so that the starch that is left we can remove it also. Now I have drained out all the potato cubes from the ice cold water. Now I will put some water in it and wash it. Now I have washed them with some cold water. Now I have taken a container and put some water in it, and now I will boil the water so that it will become heat and it will become some. Now till the water boils. After the water boils, we'll take it. We will put all the shorts in it for 5 minutes. Now we can see that the water has boiled. Now we will turn off the gas. Now I will put the French shorts or the potato cubes inside the hot water. Now I have put out all the French shorts and the potato cubes inside the hot water. Now let's wait for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes we will take them out in a towel. Now I have taken out all the potato cubes and now I will spread it so that all the excess of water is absorbed by the towel. So we will wait for 5 minutes. Now we can see after 5 minutes all the water is absorbed by the towel and our French shorts are looking very soft, and even the water in it is also less now. Now we will deep fry them. Now I have put some oil in it and we will wait till it gets heated. Now the oil is heating. Now I will put the French shorts inside it. Now we have put French shorts inside the oil. Keep the flame medium to high. Now we have put some more, and one more thing to be noted. While we are doing and burning them and starting, so we need to keep the flame high. After some time we can see that it's brown and some golden crispy. We will keep it flame low. Now all our frying purpose is done. Now we will sprinkle some salt, chili powder and all Indian masalas. We'll sprinkle some salt according to the taste and some red chili powder. It's according to your taste how much you like it. If you don't wanna add or more, so you don't. Now our yummy French shorts are ready to eat. Thanks for watching.